All right, so there's multiple ways Camilo utilizes collaborative learning. There's various tools that can be used. This particular tool that's loaded up right now is the wiki. This is the home page of the wiki. There's not much here because no content has been added. Uh, Wikis are nice because they allow students to basically collaborate together to create content. And they would do that by basically, I'm just switching to the student view, and then students can edit content by clicking on the pencil button. And the format that is shown for editing is basically a what you see, what you get type editor. You can type new content into this box. You can add links, you can add images, and when you're done, you can save it. You can also add comments as well to the particular edits, and that also facilitates collaboration. And then we see that our new text that was added is added to the wiki. Additional pages can be added to the wiki by clicking the plus button up above, and the pages are created the same way as our prior example. Now, wikis are very useful for facilitating collaboration, but there's other tools within the Camilo system as well that facilitates collaboration. Let's talk about those. So besides a wiki, we also have a message board system or forums. Unlike the wiki, this facilitates more conversation than it does content. Uh, Multiple different forums can be created to discuss particular areas within the course, and that's easily done by just clicking the button up above, and instructors can create new forms. Let's enter in our example form. And when we do that, we'll see a series of threads. So threads focus on a particular topic. That could be, if we're doing a course on medical education, maybe it's on infectious disease, maybe we're discussing a particular type of pneumonia, for instance. You would click the thread, which again focuses on a particular topic, to see the discussion. You can type a message here that's seen by all the students, and also you can add attachments. This is an example of an attachment added to the end of a message as well. So there's a sharing of content going on here as well. It's very easy to reply to a message and contribute to the dialogue. You just click on reply to the message. You type a reply in a similar type of box as seen with the wiki. You can add an attachment easily by choosing the file, and then you just click reply to your message, and then we will see the reply added to the dialogue below. So again, it's easy to see how this can contribute to creating dialogue, particularly for group assignments, solving various cases that may be posed to a group. Again, all this facilitates collaborative learning. Camilo has a couple other aspects that facilitate collaborative learning as well. There's a very useful Dropbox type system, which can help with the sharing of various resources as well. And again, this works just like Dropbox. You even, when you go to upload your new documents, you can basically just drag them in like you would with Dropbox by just dragging a file in, and it will automatically upload. Again, this allows for the sharing of resources amongst peers and with the instructor. And again, all this facilitates collaboration. There's one other last part of Camilo that I want to talk about in terms of collaboration really quick, and that's the chat. So Camilo has a built-in chat system where you can basically chat with users or with students or the instructor in real time. So this allows for some synchronized discussion as well. It also has an asynchronous element because the chat is preserved. So long after it's taken place, you can go back and review it, which is useful. So these are a couple ways that Camilo is useful for facilitating collaborative learning. It's definitely a useful tool for that, and there's multiple different sub-tools within it that can facilitate that process.